Good morning students. Welcome in computer class of 7th standard, and today we are going to start a new chapter number 9, using list, images and links. In the previous term, you were introduced to the basic formatting tags used for designing web pages in HTML. So in this chapter, we will discuss some more tags like list, unordered list, ordered list, the type attribute, nested if, definition list, marquee tag, inserting images, the image tag, linking web pages, the anchor tag, images as links, using image as a background, creating an email link. So in today's class, we will learn about lists, unordered and ordered list, and the type attribute. A list is an efficient way of presenting information in a precise manner, and the short form of list is LI. Now, LI tag, it displays the listed item in an ordered and unordered list, and the syntax of this LI tag is LI with angular brackets, and it is optional to use the closing tag in LI. There are different types of lists in HTML: unordered list, ordered list and definition list. First of all, unordered list. This list is used when the items are not to be displayed in any particular order. First of all, open Notepad to write the coding. Now you can see Notepad window is displayed on your screen. Now first of all, type the first tag, and that is HTML tag in angular brackets, and then start head tag. Under head, we will give the title, like here I have given the title list, and then close the title using /, and after that close the head part using /, and then start body tag. If you want to display any message on the web page, so we will write all the things under body tag, and here I am going to start unordered list. First of all, for that I have written UL in angular brackets. Students, here I have written one line, components of digestive system. I have not written this line in line tag because it's just a simple line in form of paragraph. Now I want to display the list item in list, so type the things, start LI tag, and then type your item. Now here I have written components of digestive system using LI. LI tag means list tag. Now it is optional to close list tag. After that, close UL using /. Now students, you can see the output side by side while writing on the notepad. Save your web page, click on File tab as we have done in our previous term. Click on Save. Now choose the location from here and type your file name, like I will give the file name list, and then write down the extension with the file name .html HTML and then click on save. Now your file is saved on the desktop. Now see, this is your file. Now double click and see your result. Now you can see the result. Bullets are added against each of them. That is why unordered list is also known as bulleted lists. Now next I'm going to tell you about ordered list using practically. For that, first of all type OL in angular brackets, and then here I have written one line, components of circulatory system, and it is not in li tag because it's just a simple line in paragraph form. So now start the li tag, and then now here I have typed components of circulatory system in li. First the heart, again li started, veins, again li started in angular brackets, and then blood. Now I'm going to close the OL tag using /. Now save your result, click on file tab, click on save, or you can use Ctrl+S to save. Here at the last I'm going to close the body tag because body tag is opened, and then close HTML tag. Now students, I'm going to refresh this web page using this refresh button. Click over there. Now you can see the output. Ordered list gives a number to each item in the list. That is why it is also known as numbered list. Students, ordered lists are mostly used in situations where order of the items is significant or where it is required to keep a count of the number of items. Now, there are various attributes that are specially used with an ordered list. Let us discuss. First is start attribute. This attribute specifies the start value of the first item from which an ordered list should start, and the syntax is angular bracket start OL start is equal to, then mention your number from where you want to start your ordered list, and then close angular bracket. And by default ordered list start at A. Let's see how. Here I want to start my ordered list from 5. So under OL tag give space and write start is equal to, in double quotes you will write 5. Now press Ctrl+S from the keyboard. Now see the result. Refresh it. Now you can see ordered list is started from 5, 6, 7. So this is the start attribute. Now next is reversed attribute. This attribute allows a list to appear in the reverse order, and the syntax is angular bracket start OL start is equal to, and write down your number or your value in double quotes and then close the angular bracket. Let's see how. Here I have already written OL start is equal to 5. So I want to show my ordered list from the reverse order 5, and then give space. Here you have to write the reverse. Now save your work using Ctrl S. Now see your output. Now refresh it. Now you can see ordered list in reverse order 5, 4, 3. So this is reversed attribute. Next is type attribute. It specifies the type of numbering and bullets used to mark items in an ordered and unordered list respectively. By default, the value is 1 for an ordered list and disk for an unordered list. These 3 items that can be used for the unordered list, these are the 3 different types. Number 1 is disk, circle and square, that we can use under unordered list as a type. And these type are for ordered list. A, capital A, small a, Roman numbers, and then 1, 2, 3. Roman numbers, there are 2 types, uppercase and lowercase. And this is the syntax for type attribute. UL, angular bracket start, then UL, then type is equal to, in double quotes you will write the any type, circle, disk, and then angular bracket close. And for the ordered list, angular bracket start, OL, type is equal to small a in double quotes and then angular bracket close. Now let's see the practically. Now students, I am going to give type under unordered list. Click over here. Type is equal to, in double quotes write down the type which you want to show your items. I have written circle. Now press Ctrl S and now see the output. Now you can see the output. Now these bullets are in the form of circle. Now I want to change the type of OL. For that, under OL tag, write type is equal to, which value you can give? Any value, like small a. Here I have given small a. Now press Ctrl S. Now see the output. Refresh it. You can see ordered list in A, B, C form. Clear? What are the different attributes of ordered list and unordered list? So students, this is all about of today's class. Here you have learnt about this lists, unordered and ordered list, the type attribute. So do the practice of these things at home. Thank you.